In a land made of light and dreams, there lived a very little queen.
Her name was Luna, the smallest queen the kingdom had ever seen.
She was tiny, but her heart was bigger than the whole kingdom.
Everyone loved Queen Luna.
But Luna loved to play more than to sit on the throne.
One day, the light began to fade.
A dark shadow was stealing the kingdom's happiness.
I may be small, but I am the queen.
Her crown was not just beautiful. Shh, it was magical. Luna started her brave journey. She fell, but she never gave up. Kindness was her greatest power.
The shadow was not evil. It was lonely.
You don't need darkness. You need love. Luna's heart turned darkness into light. Love can change everything. Everything. The kingdom was alive again.
The smallest queen saved them all.
True power comes from a kind heart. Remember, even the smallest can be the greatest.